I'm not really the person to ask about it, truthfully. I was just too young to remember. I mean, I'm not the only kid on the island that's, eaten.
So it had
No, not for me, bro. Not for me.
What's your dream?
To go, away.
Go away. That's.
Do you guys want to
Gotta run
They
away
don't
from
want drink.
responsibility, life.
This is kind of unique. This is the norm.
dreams.
So
When is this not happening?
what? Don't make noise. Cody.
It's really disrespectful. I'd never do that.
What's your dream?
Go, away.
This
Do you want to drink?
Gotta run away
They
from
want a drink.
responsibility, life.
kind of unique. This is the norm.
dreams.
So
When is this not happening?
don't make that noise. Cody.
Really disrespectful. I'd never do that.
I mean, look, I'm the only kid on the island that's,
So it had to be
not for me.
What's your dream?
Go, away.
To go. That's great.
Do you guys drink?
Gotta run away from
Don't-
responsibility, life.
Kind of, this is unique. This is
When is this not happening?
Well, don't make that noise. Cody.
Really disrespectful. I'd never do that.
You just take it out of your mouth.
That's
You know
the
what?
difference between you and me.
You know what? I can do this anymore.
Mom, look what you
This
did.
is for me. This is for you. Why is Glenn still?
No, yeah, exactly. Mom!
I don't understand. I'm not really the person, truthfully, to remember. I mean, look, I'm the only kid on the island that was, eaten.
So it had to be traumatic.
Not for me, bro. Not for me.
What's your dream?
To go, away.
Go away. That's great.
Do you guys drink?
Gotta run away
don't
from
want to-
responsibility, life.
It's kind of unique. This is not the norm. So
When is this not happening?
don't make noise. Cody.
Disrespectful. I wouldn't do that.
Put it out of your mouth.
That's
You know
the
what?
difference between you and me.
You know what? I can't send.
Mom, look what you did.
This is for me. This isn't for you. Why come here?
Yeah, exactly. Mom!